Put lemon in washing powder, and you'll thank me later. The best degreaser you can use in your home. To start our blender tip today. Here I'm just going to put the peels of 4 lemons. 500 milliliters of water. Beat to grind. The best effect has been the lemon. He is mainly responsible for all the cleanliness of this mixture. So we take it out, and in a container with a strainer I will separate the liquid. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Let's mix until everything is well integrated. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of washing powder. It is the main element for the desired cleaning. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. We're going to mix one last time. And before I forget, tell me what city are you watching us in? And if you liked our tips, don't forget to give it a like so you always receive more. To facilitate application and avoid waste, I'm going to put the liquid in a spray bottle. This removes grease easily. It's just with a little product. This product lasts a long time. I already have the shine and cleanliness I was looking for. This product is recommended for direct application on the stove, even when dirty with oil or other types of food. When your stove has crusty grime, this mixture will save you. Everything comes out very easy. It is also possible to use it in the oven and microwave. Here I simply apply the product directly, and with the help of a cloth without having to rub much, and it still enhances the shine. Share with all your friends and family. I'm sure you'll love it. Make it at home and say goodbye to the grease on the stove. I will stay here. I hope you liked our advice today. Thank you for watching this video until the end. A big hug to everyone. Go with God. And until the next video. Bye bye.